Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Today's review will be on District DNT. Let's get down to it. So this pattern that I drew out the other day, about a week ago, it has played out. It's starting to continue to play out. So I do see a W here in this area. I do believe this will continue running. The bottom of that W hit around that 23 cent area. Then the second bottom of that W hit around the 24 cent area within a pretty good while, almost a month and a couple days. So February 13th through March 18th. Right now, I do think we will be in the breakout of that area, possibly an aggressive move to that 40 cent ish area, pull back to that 30 to 5 ish area, and then take off. So that's what I'm projecting for this at the moment. And the reason why is, again, we are still above the 50 RSI. We are sitting at 64, starting to flat at the moment. You want to look for a flat on RSI. That will indicate that price action will pretty much spring. So if this continues to run, we should see a bullish sentiment. I'm eyeing personally now that 50 cent area for this. We'll see how this plays out. Guys, if you have any projects you want reviewed, drop them in the comments. More than happy to get that done for you guys. Just give me some time. Do have a couple projects have to get done, but I will get them done for you guys. And again, try to time this market correctly. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share, comment, like, tell a friend. Make sure to smash the notifications so you do not miss a single update. Guys, thanks again for watching. Until next time, peace.